Good morning students, welcome to the online classes organized by GD Mother International School. As you all know that we have covered the safety from fire and the first aid, and we were doing first aid till first aid for fracture and sprain we have covered. Today I will tell you about the first aids for the remaining of the things. So first is your first aid for animal bite. What you can do when you are just attacked by an animal, what all precautions and preventions you should take. Okay, so who all attacks, which animals attack? Generally dogs, cats, monkeys. Okay, if they attacks you, okay, if they attacks you or if they bite you, then you can be infected by a disease called as rabies. Okay, you can be infected by a disease called as rabies if you are just attacked or bitten by dogs, cats or monkeys. When these animals bite someone, they release saliva containing germs from their mouth. Okay, when they cut you, when they bite you, what happens? The saliva in their mouth, they just goes into your skin, into your skin, and you get infected through the germs. The saliva enters the victim body. Okay, now victim, what is the meaning of victim? The meaning of victim is a person who has been attacked or injured. So an injured person is called as the victim. Okay, so the saliva enters the victim's body through the wound and and cause rabies, and this, so it causes rabies. So what causes rabies? When a stray animal, they just bite you, like animals like dogs, cats, monkeys. When they bite you, the saliva in their mouth, they enters your body through the germs, and then you are infected by a disease named as rabies. So if an animal just attacks you, what you should do? Firstly, you should wash the wound under running water. सबसे पहले आपको उसको धोना है. Then the same process, you have to apply the antiseptic cream on the wound. Okay, and then you have to cover it with a clean bandage. And if the bite is deep, then you should take him to the nearby doctor. Okay. Now next is your first aid for snake bite. और अगर snake काट ले तब आपको क्या करना है? Okay. We need to be careful while playing in a garden near wild bushes. If a person is bitten by a poisonous snake, the poison enters in the victim's body. The poison mixes with blood and spreads quickly in the body. In case of snake bite, the following first aid should be given. Okay, so now if a snake bites you, and you all know that snakes are very poisonous. Okay, so the poison can enter your body through your into your blood, and it can enter throughout your body. पूरे body में आपका फैल सकता है. तो अगर snake काट ले, then what you should do? What you should do? A tight bandage should be tied just above the wound so that the spread of the poison in the body may slow down. जहाँ पे आपको snake ने काटा है, the area where the snake has bitten you, उसके just above उस एरिया को बहुत टाइटली बांध दीजिए. उसको बहुत ज़्यादा टाइटली बांध दीजिए ताकि जो पॉइजन है वो उसी एरिया में रुक जाए, आगे ना स्प्रेड हो. द विक्टिम शुड बी केप्ट काम एंड टेकन टू द नियर बाय डॉक्टर इमीडिएटली. और उसके बाद आपको उस विक्टिम को डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाना है. ओके, तो आपको स्नेक बाइट में क्या करना है? सबसे पहले जहाँ पे स्नेक ने काटा है उसके जस्ट अबव उस एरिया को, वो जस्ट ऊपर के एरिया को आपको टाइटली उसको बांध देना है ताकि जो स्नेक का डंक है, जो उसका जो स्नेक बाइट है, जो पॉइजन है, वो आगे बॉडी में ना फैले. और उसके बाद जो विक्टिम है उसको आपको डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाना है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज योर फर्स्ट एड फॉर इंसेक्ट स्टिंग. अगर जैसे हो जाता है कभी मधुमक्खी ने काट लिया, तो क्या करना है आपको? उस टाइम पे आपको क्या करना है? ओके, व्हाट यू शुड डू in such case? You should the first ice cubes should be placed in the bitten area. अगर कोई मधुमक्खी या फिर कुछ भी अगर आपको काट लेता है, तो आप जहाँ पे काटा है उस एरिया में आपको आइस क्यूब्स लगाना चाहिए. उसके बाद आपको एंटीसेप्टिक क्रीम लगाना चाहिए. ओके, ये आपका एक कॉमन प्रोसेस है स्टूडेंट्स. दिस इज द कॉमन प्रोसेस, अप्लाइंग एंटीसेप्टिक क्रीम to wash the wound and then applying antiseptic cream. These are the common procedures in all the first aids. Okay, and then Now here comes for bee stings. Bee stings में what you should do, a paste of baking soda or toothpaste can be applied. A very simple method. Baking soda is easily available everywhere in your houses also. So you should make a paste of baking soda or toothpaste and then you can apply on the area where the bee has stinged you. Now for the wasp stings, what you have to do for the wasp stings, lemon juice or vinegar can be applied. Lemon juice or vinegar can be applied. Okay, now I hope this first aid for insect sting is clear. Now is the first aid for your nosebleed. Now what happened? You must all know this is the time, like summers, the conditions or the problems of nose bleeding arises. It arises. Okay, so what can you do? It doesn't happen, the percentage of nosebleed during winters is very less, but during the summers it's very tremendous. So in such cases what should be done? You should sit that victim upright comfortably on a chair. Comfortably, you can see here a picture. उसमें क्या करना है, आपको जो विक्टिम है उसको बिल्कुल सीधे आपको चेयर पे बिठा देना है एंड लीन फॉरवर्ड स्लाइटली. यू कैन सी हियर दिस बॉय, this is a boy, this is a victim who is sitting on a chair and slightly has leaned down forward. आगे की तरफ थोड़ा वो झुका हुआ है. ठीक है. The nose should be wiped with a clean handkerchief. You can see here the boy, he is holding his nose. Okay, handkerchief is not that much visible. He is holding his nose with index finger and the thumb. The index finger and the thumb. आपको अपने इंडेक्स फिंगर और थंब की हेल्प से आपको क्या करना है, इसको अपने जो नोज है उसको आपको पकड़ के रखना है. ओके. द पर्सन शुड ब्रीथ थ्रू द माउथ एंड नॉट थ्रू द नोज. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट द विक्टिम, द इंजर्ड पर्सन, ही शुड नॉट breathe through the nose in that case. Okay, he should try to just breathe with the help of the mouth. And if also the nosebleed does not stop, then what is the last step? You should take him to the doctor immediately. Okay, so I hope this much is clear. I just make you remind once again, today we have done first aid for animal bite. So when stray dogs they bite you, what happens? Rabies. And if a stray animal like dogs, monkeys, they bite you, what have to do? Just clean the wound and then apply antiseptic cream and then put the bandage, and in case then go to the nearby hospital. And then first aid for snake bite. So what you have to do, where the snake has bitten you, just tight bandage should be tied just above the area where the insect has bitten you, and then take him to the nearby hospital. And after that, first aid for insect sting, I have said you that where that insect has bitten you, just put some ice cubes over it and then you can just apply an antiseptic cream. For bee sting, just make a paste of baking soda or toothpaste, and for wasp stings, lemon juice or vinegar can be applied. First aid for nosebleed, first of all, the victim should sit on a straight, upright and lean forward. आगे की तरफ झुकना है, उसको अपने इंडेक्स फिंगर और थंब से अपने नोज को पकड़ना है, एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, उसको अपने नोज से ब्रीथ नहीं करना है, अपने माउथ से ब्रीथ करना है. एंड अगर फिर भी नोज ब्लीडिंग नहीं रुके, देन यू शुड go to the nearby hospital. So children, now here your chapter 5 is completed now. I hope everything must be clear to you. This is a very easy chapter and all the procedures for the first aid, they are just common. 2-3 steps, they are just common in everyone. Okay, so here the chapter ends. Thank you.